Get a feel for the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, third row seat, rear AC, electronic stability control. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.